I'm gonna tell you this easy trick which turned my boredom into fundom instantly. So the simple part of the rule basically means anything that you can do quickly without physical or mental limitation. So basically what that means is that it's super quick to do and it's not hard. So I painted something for 10 minutes and it was pretty easy to do. I had all the supplies. It was fast to do, and stepping outside, kind of like how I am right now, but it's on a higher level of the simple new rule. But if I were just to walk outside, that is super easy to do. I can stand up and walk outside. I know how to open a door, so I can do that. And it's also simple because it's quick to do. It took me 20 seconds to step outside. From where I'm sitting watching a YouTube video to stepping outside, it could take me 20 seconds. So now just think of a lot of those simple little things that you can do easily. Some more examples can be doing a single push-up, but for things like eating, drinking water, they're not gonna cure your boredom. So that's why the new part of the rule comes, which is doing something you've never done before. So I played the clarinet outside. I've never done that. You probably never done that either. So that's something new. I've never been inside a bush. Well, actually I have to play hide and seek, but not to talk to you, so it's new. I've never made a painting that was completely dark. I've never done a handstand, and I've still been trying to do that. So there's a ton of new things you haven't done before. I just found something that was in my house that I've never seen or used. Then I used it. That's how I played the guitar. That's how I started filming things. I got to where I am right now, inside a bush, talking to you right now. If you're not sure who I am, by the way, I'm Timofey. I'm 16 years old. I just love doing new, simple things and sharing it with you, so hopefully you can also cure your boredom. If you think this video is cool, consider subscribing. But I'm so serious when I'm saying there's a ton of things that you can do. You can literally go on ChatGPT, ask it to give you 100 things you can do inside, and then if you do one of them, you won't be bored. Now let me talk about the rule part of this. You have to stick to doing this every single day. You can't have any excuses or reasons on why you can't do this. You can't forget about this, and you can't watch another video after this unless you apply it right away, because watching another video won't cure your boredom. It'll just make your boredom more hungry. As you start doing this for days and days and weeks, you'll start to level up more, and then you would get more strength, confidence. You'll level up what is simple to you. So don't be afraid to start small, because you will build it up a lot. This should be your priority right now, because when I cured my boredom, it allowed me to do bigger, cool, fun, great things like creating this channel, getting a lot stronger, smarter, all the benefits that people try to get, I got from curing my boredom. If you would want a great way to connect with hundreds of people who also want to do more cool things in their life, click the like-minded club in the description and join that, because it's completely free. And also, if you'd be interested in growing a YouTube channel, kind of like I am, giving something fun to do without being bored, click that calendar link in the description and book a quick call so I can see if I might be able to help you grow your YouTube channel a lot. And yeah, that would be awesome. Start doing this and then think about what should you do next. You can't change if you don't change. Change right away, and then you'll think about if it was the right choice or what you should do next later. This should be what you're doing right now. So apply this right away, comment what you're gonna do, and that's all I gotta say, man. Just do this right away. I'm getting out of this bush and moving on to the next thing. So yeah, hope to see you soon again, man. This is my little bush place that I'm stuck in, bro. It's help. No, don't help me, but you can save me by subscribing or something. Yeah, peace, man.